formerly known as TM International Berhad, and the company was founded on June 12, 1992, and it is headquartered in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. The vision of HAZIQAH Group Berhad. HAZIQAH is one of the leading telecommunications groups in Asia in pursuit of a vision to become the next generation digital champion by 2024. The missions of HAZIQAH Group Berhad. As leaders in the telecom industry, they strive to provide world-class communication services using the most advanced technology available. And we are advancing Asia one step at a time.
The Chief Executive Officer of HAZIQAH is Muhammad Izzaddin Idris. It's followed with their subordinate, which is Vivek Su as Chief Financial Officer, and it also have fraction, which is Chief Interval Auditor, Chief Risk and Compliance, Director of Special Project, and lastly is Chief Information Officer. Secondly is Chief Corporate Development Officer, and their fraction is Vice President, Operational Development and Support, and Group Business Operation. Next, Chief Corporate Officer. Lastly is Chief People Officer HR, and its fraction is Head Organizational Development, Human Resources Service, and Learning Officer.
Next, one correct issue that we found from the Edge Market article related to HAZIQAH Group Berhad. HAZIQAH Group Berhad net profit tumble 60% to Rm 75.56 million in the first quarter ended March 31, 2021 from Rm 188.11 million the previous year, owing primarily to higher depreciation and amortization costs and a lower one-time gain. The telecommunication group earning per share then fell to 0.8 cents from 2.1 cents, according to a stock exchange filing. Then earnings fell sharply despite a 0.45% increase in revenue to Rm 6.07 billion from Rm 6.04 billion, boosted by higher revenue in its Malaysia, Sri Lanka, and Cambodia operation. On a quarterly basis, the group turned a profit after a net loss of Rm 255.96 million in the previous quarter, while revenue fell 3.17% from Rm 6.26 billion due to lower contribution from Cambodia and Indonesia. The group did not declare any dividend to its shareholders for the current quarter. The increasing risk and unpredictable scenarios that lie ahead for the industry and its businesses, the region continues to grapple with multifaceted challenges as each contributor to mitigate blows from the protracted COVID-19 crisis. Despite this, HAZIQAH Group Berhad pressed on toward the realization of the ambition to become the next generation digital champion by 2024.
Next, the solution to solve the issue. First, keeping a very close watch on the socio-political developments in Myanmar and will continue to assess any business, operational and financial risks that may arise. Second, remain circumspect in outlook for the second quarter and beyond, especially given the resurgence of movement restriction and its strain on economic recovery.
The third solution to solve the issue is 250 million ringgit capital boost from SoftBank Corp into the group's digital marketing subsidiary AIDA provided strong growth impetus for the data analytics and AI businesses, now valued at 1.1 billion ringgit.
In conclusion, the HAZIQAH Group is one of Asia's leading telecommunication company with the goal of becoming the next generation digital champion by 2034. HAZIQAH has evolved from a parent company with a portfolio of pure-play mobile assets to a company driven by a telco-focused three-core strategy: digital business, and infrastructure. As a market leader in the telecommunication company, HAZIQAH Group companies aspire to provide world-class communication service using the most cutting-edge technologies. We can observe from this study that the HAZIQAH Group of companies can effectively solve issues and assist all customers who use their service.